All right, hi boys and girls. I'm going to call this session the teacher's desk. All right, this is where I mark your work. It's as if you come to my desk and show me your work, and then I will just mark it and see where we can improve. So, what I'm going to do now is discuss your Cinquains. Firstly, I want to say to everyone, well done. I'm very impressed on your Cinquains. There are just a few things here and there which we need to tweak before you put it in your book. So that's what I'm going to be showing you. So firstly, we're going to start with Addie's one. Addie, this is your one. So you've got train, long, loud, going, riding, moving, riding so fast away, gone. All right. So Eddie, that's fine. I like it. There's nothing really amiss there. The only thing is, I want you to start each line with a capital letter, just like that. Okay. Wait. Excuse my pen because I have to write with my mouse, so that's why my pen doesn't look that neat. But it's capital L, capital G, capital R. And in fact, most of you, that is what I'm sort of correcting here. All right, the second one, this is Lizuku's, also a very nice one, Lizuku, taxi. Big square, moving, carrying, driving, taking people to work, away. All right, so Lizuku, again with you, just start each line with a capital letter. But other than that, I'm happy with your poem. All right, the next one is Reese. Reese, yours is also just starting each line with a capital letter. Also, very nice one. Car, fast, sporty, drifting, racing, driving, drifting around all corners, gone. All right. I did say it should be about a taxi or a train, but I will turn a blind eye because a car is a vehicle like a taxi. So if you want to change your subject to taxi, it's fine. I think it would still work. But I'm not going to get too hard about that. All right, but a very nice poem, Reese. Well done. And then this one belongs to Kyla. Okay, Kyla, that's fine. Just remember when you write it in your top class book, we don't have to write the lines and we don't have to write all this side. We just want the poem. All right, so if you have a look here as well, let me just try and enlarge this a little bit. All right, so you got train, quick, big. All right, and then here you've got fast, slow, moving. Okay, so fast and slow are not action words, they are describing words. Moving is an action word. Remember, I said if your word ends in an ing, it's more than likely going to be an action word. So for your poem, Carla, you need to replace fast and slow with two other action words, okay, with two other words, and they must be action words. Let them be a word that ends in ing, like moving, all right, then they are more than likely going to be right. But the rest is fine. You've got big train, fast train, and then we just end off with one word. So I've crossed out went, and you're going to end off with away. All right, so Carla, once you've fixed your verbs, all right, then I think you can go ahead and write that in your book. Remember also, start each line with a capital letter. All right, next one. Okay, this one belongs to Danny. All right, Danny, that's fine. You got train, fast, big. Don't have ands in between, okay? Rather just have commas, okay? So you're going to have fast, big, chugging. Please have a look at the word chugging. Again, cross out your ands and replace them with commas. So you're going to have chugging, carrying, moving. And then taking me on adventures, gone. All right, so Danny, just a few tweaks there. Take away those ands, please, and just double check your spelling. And then this one belongs to Daniel. Okay, Daniel, very nice poem as well. Okay, all you have to do is make sure that every line you're starting with a capital letter. All right, Daniel's one says taxi, small, fast, driving, moving, speeding, carrying taxi, beeping taxi, drove. All right, very nice one, Danielle. And then we have princes. Okay, Prince, also just remember when we write it in our book, we just want the poem part. So I can understand why you did that for your rough work. It's fine, I don't mind. But now when we're writing it in our top class, just the poem. And for you also, just starting with capital letters, you've got train, fat, take away that and, have a comma there instead. So train, fat, fast, moving, carrying, speeding, moving very, very fast, wish. I like your last word. I like your impact word. It works very well for your poem. All right, and then finally we have Talia. Talia, yours is on trains. Just make sure that is more in line with your poem. So you're going to have trains written here. It's not a separate heading. So you're going to have trains, big, slow, moving, driving, riding, moving very, very slowly. Fun, also a very nice impact word, very imaginative. All right, so just make sure big is with a capital letter as well. And that is the end of Teacher's Desk session.